Evangeline looking good. Oh, you got it, girl. Look at y'all. Get it, Stephanie. What's up? What's up? Jane, hey, what we doing?
Check up here shit.
What's up, ladies?
What's up?
Birthday, lady.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
That's a video.
Oh, okay, I think
That's a video.
I did too. I think
It's a video.
Let me fix this tie because he got it all twisted.
Oh, I'm just messed up. Doing it for decoration. Do it on. So someone say I ain't wearing the color.
Dad said, yeah, you look good, dummy.
That's what I'm supposed to do.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Thank you.
How you doing?
How you doing?
That's my son, Carleton.
Oh, Evangeline, how you doing? You looking good, man.
What's up,
Oh,
Rachel?
Evangeline looking good.
Look at you. I love it. I love it.
Hey, we just talking. Daddy say dress just like the dummy he is.
That's all I got.
It's all good. Right the pose. Right the pose. All right, now go ahead. Okay. How cute as always. You look gorgeous. I just cracked what I had on. No.
I was not surprised at all. And she went to show me all those gold shoes, like she wearing that gold dress.
Huh? I knew you weren't wearing that gold dress. I knew it when she bought it because she said
Really?
$20-something. You ever take your daughter?
American alligator. Yeah. Yeah. We want to take you. Come on. That's Kate. How you doing? Where's Shannon at? They're going out there. Uh-oh. She coming in. Uh-oh. She got the whole gang. Look at y'all. Oh, you got it, girl. Look at y'all. Get it, Stephanie. What's up? What's up? Okay. What's up? How you doing?
He didn't text me that by now.
Okay, okay. What's up, lady? Oh, did Bill, what's up? That's bad news right there. Them two boys there together, that's bad news. We got his mom out here. Where's Gigi? Yeah. Evangeline looking good. Yo, Shannon. Nephew. Nephew, you got some rice?
What you say?
You got some rice, nephew?
Oh, yeah, of course.
There it is. Hey. Huh? Love you too, girl. You know that, cuz. You know that. I know, right? Who's gone? Oh, here you go. They ain't gonna eat.
Now you go to the city, you pay $9, $15, $18 a month. That ain't even free.
Evangeline, and all of you that have prayed, came and sat with him, and my friend Shirley who comes over and brings me breakfast. Don't you eat that? Yes, sir, Shirley. She brings me breakfast. And
I got you. No, don't you duck. I meant to get
I'm
you.
gonna tell you what a friend is. I had left. Shirley knocked on my door. She comes by. She called me. Where are you? I said, I'm not.
Show her how to do it, Shannon. Damn! Oh, yeah. Oh, hell, she got it now. She got pop that wrist, girl. I'll stay over there. That's funny. You crazy. Y'all keep putting your hand in front of Selena's face. There you go, Selena. That's a spot there for you.
Right.
Bad dude right there. What he got the back of the base? 910.
You want to check a pen shit?